Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Sesquido from BSIT 1A. My topic is probability theory. Let's start. Probability is the chance of something happening. If the chance is 0, it will not happen. If it is 1, it will happen for sure. In IT, systems use probability to make good decisions, even when they don't have complete information. In cybersecurity, probability helps find unusual or risky actions. If the chance of danger is high, the system warns us. AI uses probability to make guesses. For example, spam filters check the chance that an email is spam. In networks, probability helps measure how many data packets were lost. This tells us if the connection is stable. Many programs use random numbers, like passwords or games. These are based on probability. Databases use probability to find the best and fastest way to search data. In simple terms, probability helps IT systems make better choices and understand what might happen next. I learned that probability is very useful in IT. It makes systems smarter because they can guess and decide even when things are not sure.